In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a project on Behance, guiding you step by step through the entire process. First, let's begin by navigating to the Behance website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.behance.net. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will direct you to your personal Behance page where all of your creative works are displayed. Next, locate the Create a Project button. It's usually prominent on your profile, inviting you to share your latest artistic endeavors. Clicking on this button will open the project editor where you can add various types of content. Here, you'll find multiple options to enhance your project, starting with images. Select the image option to upload any visuals that represent your project. Don't worry about format variety. Behance supports a wide range, allowing your creativity to shine without restriction. Moving forward, incorporate some text into your project. This can act as a narrative or description, giving viewers insight into your work. Whether it's a brief overview or something more extensive is up to you. If you wish to display a series of related pictures, consider using the photo grid option. This is perfect for projects that require an organized presentation of visuals. Following this, you can also include audio or video clips to enrich your project. Whether it's background music or a brief clip detailing the creation process, these elements can really captivate an audience. Next is the embed option. It's handy if you want to include content from other sites. Following this, the Lightroom feature allows you to showcase the intricate photo edits you may have worked on. This adds an extra layer of professionalism to your photographic content. For those working with design prototypes, Behance offers a tool specifically for uploading these files. Likewise, if you're working in 3D modeling, there's a section designated for sharing your 3D assets. Up next, you can explore the Styles section. Here you can adjust the aesthetics of your project layout, ensuring it matches your overall artistic vision. Once you're satisfied with your additions and arrangements, click on Save to ensure all your work is securely stored. As an optional step, you can attach additional assets to your project. This might include related documents or links that provide further context. When you're ready to move on, hit Continue to start inputting your project information. Title your project appropriately, add relevant tags to help others discover your work, and choose up to 3 categories that best describe your project type. Let viewers know what tools were used to create the project by listing them here. Then adjust your project's visibility settings, determining who can see your work. If your project contains adults-only content, make sure to specify this here. Fill out additional details like collaborators' names in the Team section, and finalize with an eye-catching project cover by uploading a dedicated image. Finally, once you have double-checked everything, click on Publish to share your project with the Behance community. Thank you for joining me in this instructional journey on uploading your creative projects efficiently on Behance. Happy sharing!